besties, welcome back to Speak with Aswathy. I hope you are doing well and practicing English every day. In today's episode, we are going to focus on daily English speaking. Very simple, very useful, very practical. So, besties, many learners try to learn big vocabulary and long sentences, but real English start with daily sentences. So, these are the sentences you use at home, outside, with friends, at work. If you master daily sentences, your confidence will grow automatically. So, before we start, listen carefully. I will say one sentence, explain it, and ask you to repeat. So, please pause the video and repeat loudly. Speaking loudly is very important. So, the first sentence is I am on my way. The meaning is I am coming, I am traveling now. So practice I am on my way. I am on my way to work. Good. The next sentence is I will get back to you. The meaning is I will reply later. So practice I will get back to you. I will get back to you soon. So very useful sentence. The next sentence is that sounds good. The meaning is I like the idea. So practice that sounds good. That sounds good to me. Simple and polite. So the next sentence is I'm not sure. The meaning is you don't know clearly. So practice I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. You can use this anytime. The next sentence is let me check. The meaning is I will see and tell you. Practice let me check. Let me check and confirm. Is very personal sentence. So next sentence is I will let you know. The meaning is I will inform you later. Practice I will let you know. Or I will let you know soon. Easy and common. So next one is I am running late. The meaning is you are delayed. So the practice I am running late. I am running late today. So this is useful for daily life. And next sentence is can you help me? The meaning is asking politely. So practice can you help me? Can you help me with this? So always good to know. Next one is I didn't understand. The meaning is you want a clarification. Practice didn't understand. I didn't understand. Can you repeat? So this never be afraid to say. And the last one is that's okay. Meaning is no problem. Practice that's okay. That's okay. Don't worry. So it's very friendly sentence. So do you have any confusion how to practice these sentences? Besties, don't try to memorize everything in one day. Do these. Choose 2 sentences daily. Speak them 5 times or use them in real life. Practice makes speaking natural. So if you like today's episode, like this video, subscribe to Speak with Aswathy, share it with someone learning English, and also comment I will use daily English sentences. So see you in the next video, besties. Until then, speak daily, speak slowly, and keep improving. Thank you.